Hello, I would like to introduce you a method for supporting solar panels using a universal support bracket. When assembling, first twist our fixing ring into place until it reaches a certain position. Then insert the top and bottom through this thread and tighten. After tightening, don't lock the fixing ring just yet. You can further adjust the height as needed, similarly assembling by rotation and then locking the fixing ring. Finally, press the ribs into the groove, and you can mount the solar panel. The universal support bracket is made of high-density polypropylene, PP, a new, environmentally friendly, and recyclable material. This material boasts high strength, resistance to aging, long lifespan, strong weather resistance, and is unaffected by temperature or humidity, among other advantages. These characteristics ensure the strong load-bearing capacity of the universal support bracket. Through technical testing, it can withstand a load of over 2 tons, easily supporting stone, wood panels, and pedestrian traffic.